On this video I am going to show you how to fix these power divider switches, air dump switches, air valves, whatever you call them. There's not much to them. You have a lever right here. A lot of times these are installed in a dash for power divider or such. Two push lock fittings in the rear. These were not leaking here. They were leaking internally, open or closed, on or off. And it's quite simple to fix them. So I will go through it with you. The truck I drive has 10 of these on it, and 4 of them started leaking. And these things are anywhere from $10 to $50 depending on where you get them. And here is how much the O-rings were at my local Napa. 35 cents a piece. There's the part number, 727-2004. So I bought 4 O-rings plus tax, was $1.50 to fix 4 air switches. So we start by knocking the roll pin out far enough to get the switch out of the way, the handle. I'm not really using proper equipment here. Just happened to be the right size to get the job done. This is spring loaded, so you'll come shooting out of there if you aren't ready for it. And this is the part that you want to take out. As you can see, there's not much to it. And right here's the problem. O-ring. And it all came apart. These can be kind of a challenge to get off. But that one cooperated with me. So I have this one to do, one more that's still in the truck, and I'll have my 4 valves fixed. O-rings in place. Make sure you put the spring back on, because it's kind of hard to get that back out of there without the spring. And you just reinstall it like that. If you got another one handy, in case you forget which way this lever goes, you can look at that. This one happens to go that way. Get it pushed back into place. Tap it in. Make sure it's all lined up. that's all there is to it. Should be good to go now. Put it back on. Saved quite a bit of money here. It's not much time, not much effort. Thanks for watching.